welcome. Thank you for coming to my tour of this beautiful home on top of the world. It is located in Ocala, Florida. It is an active 55 plus community. And let me show you this beautiful home, all its features and benefit of buying this house today's market. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with 1-car garage. It was built in 1999. It is 22 square feet of living space. Let me show you. Come and let's walk together. It has upstate luxury flooring. They have newer kitchen appliance. This is your open, spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinets and also a pantry. It is stainless steel appliance here, dual sink. Now you're entering the dining room area as well as the living room. It's a combo. We have a solo tube, so you always get the natural lighting throughout the day through the sun. And it's open. So this is vinyl plank luxury flooring throughout the home. There's carpet in the bedroom. Follow me. This is one of the bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. Carpet with nice window, so you have natural lighting. You have a large walk-in closet with an ensuite bathroom. As you see, this home has many updates. Your second bathroom is with a tub, fully functioned bathroom with your second bedroom. The roof was replaced in 2017. The AC unit was replaced 2014. And the asking price is $209,900. And then also it has a lanai. All windows open, so you can get a nice ventilation, and you'll have your backyard. This is a leasehold. What does that mean to you? That the association will repair the roof if there's any repair request. Your landscaping is taken care of. You get spectrum cable. You have also security guard personnel 24/7. You have trash pickup, and then you have plenty of amenities to keep you active and make new friends. The HOA fee monthly right now, it's $452 a month. Leave me a text, a message in the comment, or call me if you have any question or would like to have a private preview of this house. This is your garage. It is a 1-car garage, and it has plenty of space for a golf cart. Here's your air conditioner, your air handler, your washer and dryer. You have your electrical box in the garage, as well your timer for the sprinkler system.